Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn assignment problem using n-square matrix. So this is a given data of a matrix m into n. So we have to solve this matrix using the n-square matrix. You can see that this matrix is in m into n form. So first we have to add a dummy row to solve this problem. So step number one is we have to add a dummy row to solve this problem. We are adding a dummy row to solve the problem 0, 0, 0 and 0 Z. Now you can see that the matrix is in form of n into n, form of n into n, 4 into 4, n equal to 4. That means we have to draw a box 4 boxes. That means our solution is correct. Now go to the step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2 is we have to subtract by row. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4. We have to select the smallest number in a row 1. The smallest number in row 1 is 60. So we have to subtract all the element of row 1 by 60 and then come to the row number 2. Row number 2, the smallest number is 80. So we have to subtract all the element of row 2 by 80 and then same in the row number 3. See, the smallest number is 60. So we have to subtract all the element of row 3 by 60 and the row number 4, the smallest number is 0 and highest number is also 0. So all the elements should be 0. So draw a chart table of W, X, Y and Z and A, B, C and D. And draw a table. Now you have to put the values after subtracting by the row. The smallest value is 60. The smallest value is 60 in the row 1. In the row 2, the smallest value is 80. In the row 3, the smallest value is 60. And the row 4, the smallest value is 0 and largest value is also 0. So when we subtract all the number in the row 4, we get the same value. So 110 minus 60, it will give 50, right? Then 140 minus 60, so we have to 80. The value is 80, right? Then see the third line, 60 minus 60, get 0. 80 minus 60, 20. Then come to the row number 2. The smallest value is 80, so we have to subtract 80 by 80. We will get 0. 100 minus 80, 20. And 110 minus 80. So we get the value is 30. Now come to 90 minus 80, get 10. Now come to the row number 3. The smallest value is 60. So we have to subtract all the element by 60. 90 minus 60, 30. And 120 minus 60. The value we are getting 60. 70 minus 60, 10. 60 minus 60 is 0. Then the row number 4 is 0. Okay, this is our step number 2. Now come to step number 3. We have to subtract all the element of column by the smallest number. So in the column number 1, the smallest number is 0. Column number 2, the smallest number is 0. Column number 3, the smallest number is 0. And column number 4, the smallest number is 0. So when we subtract all the column by the smallest number, we get the same value. So now come to the step number 4. Step number 4. Step number 4. Step number 4 is the row scanning. Row scanning. Now see the row number 1. The row number 1, we have 1 0. Okay. When we search through the row cut by the column. So the row number 1, number of 0 is 1. So cut by the column. Now see the number of 0 in a row 2. 1 0. Cut by the column. Now see the row number 3. 1 0. Cut by the column. Now you can see that the row number 4, all the 0 are deleted, only this 0 is remaining. So in the row 1, row 4, we have get 1 0, so we have to cut by the column. Now you can see the number of boxes are 1, 2, 3 and 4. The value of n is 4, so our solution is correct. Now come to the step number 5. The final step. We have to analyze and keep the place value. W, the box is in C. X, the box is in A. And come to Y, the box is in Z. And Z, the box is in B. You can see that all the values are unique. So that means our solution is correct. Now you have to see the first data. First data, the place value of WC. The place value of WC is 60 and place value of XA is 80 and YD is 60 and ZB is 0. Now you have to add all the numbers. 0 0 0 0, 6 6 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 200. So this is the optimal solution.